We're gonna go ahead and take this crankshaft pulley off. There's just 3 bolts in there. What we need to do is take it off so we can grind some of the rust off, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint it with a engine spray paint and just match the engine, the silver color, to prevent any corrosion happening in the future. You can see some of the rust and corrosion on that, so we're just gonna either sand it or grind it with a little bench grinder and then paint it up. So like I said, we're just going to take a few of these rust spots off of the paint, grind the pulley just a little bit, and go from there. As you guys can see there on the edge, we knocked a lot of that rust off, and even in the pulley grooves, there's a lot of that rust is gone. So that just gives us a smooth surface so that we can go ahead and paint it and put it back on the engine. We have our engine enamel with the ceramic coating, and this is a special engine paint, like I said, and it withstands heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So should be good to put this on the pulley. What we want to do is get some more paint in the grooves more than anything, just so that it can withstand you know, the turning with the belts and everything in there. We don't want the paint to not coat the pulley enough. This is the machine that we use. It has a grinder on one side, but what I've been using is actually called a wire wheel. I may have said that wrong in the previous clip, but it's just a average, you know, little bench grinder, and it works really well to clean up parts and things like that. So as you can see, that pulley is nice and clean, painted, all the rust is off of it. We've also done this on the thermostat housing here, and the raw water pump isn't on there right now, but we also took it off and cleaned it up a little bit, cleaned up the rust, everything like that. So there are some things that you can take off other than that pulley that might have some rust spots to, you know, wire wheel, clean up, and paint, just to make your engine look nice, new, fresh, and keep it maintained. As far as the look goes, you may want to get new spark plug wires and distributor cap, and that will give your engine that fresh look that you're you know, going after for this summer. Spark plug wires generally are changed every 3 to 5 years, but just give them a good visual inspection and make sure you're getting spark, obviously. Another thing you can do is clean up your manifold and risers. You can even, if they're really bad, take them off and respray them. We sell a black, silver, I think blue or red spray paint, and those are perfect for manifolds, riser combos, resprays. The biggest thing is just making sure that all the grime, the debris, any, you know, oil, anything like that is off of the manifold, and you can do that by applying a solvent, you know, just rubbing on some alcohol or enamel reducer or something of the sort. You can see this manifold has a little scuff on it, not a huge deal, but you can either just respray over the paint. The new spray paint that we have covers pretty well and sticks pretty well, or you can get like a Scotch-Brite pad and rough up the manifold before you spray. That's really just personal preference. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments below, and if you want to see any videos on anything inboard engine related or boat related, let us know. Also, we love to hear feedback and show what you guys want to hear about. So Vince and I will still be doing these videos, and yeah, we appreciate you guys watching. Like this video, comment, all that good stuff. This is Brendan from Discount Inboard Marine. You can check us out online at SKIDIM.com. So SKIDIM for Discount Inboard Marine. And yeah, have a good day.